everyone. So, a subscriber of mine is in 10th grade, and he or she kind of seems stressed about that. And also, like, I wanted to talk about this thing. Uh, it's not particularly about like 10th grade, but I feel like in every sphere, how Indian society makes everything look like a rat race, kind of. So, I was watching a video, a YouTube video of some random guy. It pulled into my suggestion, YouTube के suggestions, and I started watching it. So this guy was sharing his JEE का experience. तो इस वो like शुरू करता है when he was put into a coaching का system वाला चीज़, coaching system, coaching. Uh, in 7th 8th grade, I don't remember what video was that or who the guy was. It just randomly came into my YouTube के suggestions and I just watched it. I remember उसने एक लाइन मेंशन करी थी. सो लाइक उसे सिक्स्थ में डाल दिया था कोचिंग्स वगैरह में. एंड ही वाज लाइक आई वाज प्रिटी चिल अबाउट इट फॉर लाइक ईयर्स, बट व्हेन आई फाइनली केम इनटू माय फर्स्ट रैट रेस which was in 10th grade, that made me question. So I wrote this in my diary, that is 10th grade um, like preparing for 10th ki board exams, is that a rat race? Also, like, let me know what you guys think. I firmly disagree with that. Like, I don't think 10th ki board exams are a rat race. No, they're not. They're not competitive exams. They're just something that are like fundamental level exams. But also, I don't agree that they're like meant to be rat races. But the way Indian society functions, it makes it look like like a rat race. It makes look everything a rat race. It makes look, I don't know मैंने कैसे बोला है ये, the sentence framing was horrible, but you get me that the Indian society, how it functions, it ये जो है चीज़ों को रैट रेस बना देती है, किसी भी चीज़ को. नाउ वेरी फंडामेंटली, 10th board exams are not about scoring really high, being on your board का वो like school boards and having your photo on banners and all. It's not about that. Those exams fundamentally 10th के board exams और like जो क्या बोलते हैं स्टेट बोर्ड्स में 5th ग्रेड में भी होते हैं, 8th ग्रेड में भी जो बोर्ड एग्ज़ाम्स होते हैं, दे आर वेरी फंडामेंटली अबाउट लाइक तुम्हारे कंसेप्ट कितने स्ट्रॉन्ग हैं, तुम फंडामेंटल लेवल पे कितने अच्छे से सोच पाते हो, एंड हाउ योर temperament and all of those things are, like your abilities to think, your critical thinking skills, and like on very basic level, that is what they are about. एंड ऑनेस्टली वहाँ पे कोई सिस्टम नहीं है 10th के बोर्ड एग्ज़ाम्स में कि इन लोगों से तुम्हें आगे आना है तभी तुम पास होगे. इट्स अ वेरी बहुत ही बेसिक क्राइटेरिया है, 33.3%. नाउ आई टेल यू दैट्स अ ब्रिलियंट क्राइटेरिया. लाइक 30, मेरे भाई ने पूरे साल नहीं पढ़ा. ही वॉच्ड एनिमे पूरे साल, एंड जस्ट एग्ज़ाम के एक दो दिन पहले पढ़ के गया था, एंड ही scored 76%, which was just amazing. Like mind boggling. I was like ये पास नहीं होगा, ये फेल होने की कगार पे है, but that's how he got there, which was pretty good. Like according to him too, he was like fine with it कि मेरे आ गए, I was deserving this. But the thing that made it look so worse was the parental pressure and the societal pressure we get from our surroundings everywhere. The 33.3% का जो criteria है to pass board exams, it's a beautiful criteria. Like I agree with those people who have made this thing. अगर क्योंकि 10th में जो concepts हैं, they are very basic, they are very fundamental level concepts, and they are beautiful concepts also. Like fundamental as well as like something that you genuinely should be like ये तो मुझे जानना है kind of. See, I'm not like forcing you to, but once you read the chapters you will understand how उनमें बहुत ज़्यादा खूबसूरती है उन कॉन्सेप्ट्स में. जैसे बायोलॉजी में दे स्टार्ट विद द लाइफ प्रोसेसेस, चारों के चारों प्रोसेसेस फ्रॉम डाइजेशन टू एक्सक्रीशन, एंड उसके बाद में कोऑर्डिनेशन सिस्टम से लेके रिप्रोडक्शन, वी टॉक अबाउट रिप्रोडक्शन, एंड उसके बाद में वी ऑल्सो टॉक अबाउट एनवायरनमेंट, देन फिज़िक्स में लाइट एंड इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, केमिस्ट्री में या आई नो द रट्टा वाला पार्ट इज़ जस्ट कैन बी थोड़ा सा क्या बोलते हैं, टफ, लाइक लोग ऐसे होंगे यार शिट इतना पढ़ना है, बट इट्स इजी पीजी, लाइक मैं ऐसे बोल रही हूँ क्योंकि मैंने कर लिया 10th, आई एम सो सॉरी, इट्स आई अंडरस्टैंड हाउ यू आर गोइंग थ्रू, इट्स नॉट दैट ईजी जैसा मैं बोल रही हूँ ईजी पीजी, देर आर अ लॉट ऑफ फैक्टर्स, देर इज़ दिस सोसाइटल प्रेशर एंड एवरी थिंग, but like you'll get that, you know, have faith in yourself, um, and also like a little bit curiosity will do, and also like you can pass 30, you can get 33 if you have just basic knowledge, I believe that, uh, like बहुत easily आ सकते हैं तुम्हारे, थोड़ा बहुत पढ़ा एकदम थोड़ा बहुत, तो it's just like a दाएं हाथ का खेल, and दाएं या बाएं, बाएं हाथ का खेल, दाएं बाएं हाथ का खेल, या so anyways, back to the topic, what is a rat race? uh, See, I disagree that 10th is a rat race, but I believe that the society makes the how the education system at its core works, वो उस चीज़ को एक rat race बना देता है. It's not necessary that you have to get 90% के ऊपर, but society, if you don't get 90% से ऊपर के नंबर, you're a failure, you are a failure, and ये तुम्हें एग्ज़ाम के रिजल्ट्स या कुछ नहीं बोल रहे हैं, ये तुम्हें सोसाइटी बोल रही है, ये तुम्हारे अराउंड के लोग बोल रहे हैं. That's what happened with my brother. He secured 76 or something. He was fine with that. He was like, हाँ मैंने कुछ पढ़ा नहीं, इतने आ गए तो बहुत बड़ी बात है, ये है वो है. But my parents and like all the people around were like, हमारी नाक कटवा दी, ये कर दिया, वो कर दिया. That is what it is. That is what makes it a rat race. कि तुम्हें 90% से ऊपर ही लाने हैं, otherwise you are a failure. That is what the society declares. And ऐसा होता है कि एक चीज़ को आप जितनी बार दोहराओगे, वो आप like you hear those things, people hear these things, and then चाहे even if they don't agree, जब इतना किसी चीज़ को बार बार बोलते हुए सुनते हैं, तो people tend to internalize those thoughts, and the boundaries, the lines between what you believe in and what the society is forcing you to believe in, they become blurry, and they intertwine and intertwine, and just उस blur में every you lose yourself, and to anxiety, to pressure, to social pressure, and to like constantly pressuring yourself into this thing. Otherwise, you know, 10th is a beautiful class, syllabus wise. It's a beautiful syllabus. पता है हमारे इंग्लिश की बुक्स एंड हिंदी की भी इतनी खूबसूरत कहानियाँ हैं, बट the society does not want you to enjoy any of that. The society will force you until you have like, even by the way, I secured 92%. तब तो मुझसे कोई खुश नहीं था, बिकॉज 92 आ गए तो 95 से ऊपर क्यों नहीं आए हैं. सब कितने सारे बच्चों के आए 95 से ऊपर, कितने बहुत कम बच्चों के आए थे, बट उनके तो आए हैं, तुम्हारे क्यों नहीं आए हैं. यू नो दे विल ऑलवेज फाइंड अ पॉइंट टू लाइक पॉइंट यू तुम्हारी गलती निकालने में. एंड नो वन इन दिस सिस्टम, इन आर इंडियन एजुकेशन सिस्टम, केयर्स अबाउट चिल्ड्रन, द स्टूडेंट्स. नो वन, like the society, not at all. तुम्हारे रिश्तेदार and all, they want to like screw you to the ground, and I think that also happens with our parents, because societal pressure इतना होता है, शर्मा जी का बेटा बहुत पढ़ता है, ये पढ़ता है, वो पढ़ता है, when they are like also constantly listening to these things, उनके भी what the things they believe in, and जो भी they care for their children, what वगैरह वगैरह, those lines come in contact with these external things जो ऐसे फेंकी जाती हैं, एंड दे स्लोली, लाइक इतना सुनोगे तो दोज लाइन्स बिकम ब्लरी, एंड देन you lose what you believe in a way, in some way or the other. You end up losing yourself also. Um, and I feel bad for the students. I don't know what they're doing. I don't know why there are no systems to look after. And also, like, uh, I will also say that 11th 10th के board exams are very much about रट्टाबाजी. They are about रट्टाबाजी. Like, अगर तुमने बहुत अच्छे से रटा है चीज़ें, तो you're good, you're fine, you'll you, you'll pass with flying colors and all. They don't focus much on practical teaching and like hands-on learning things, which is insane. Why? Yes. Um, so what I can say to you people, I think spend time with yourself enough that itna ki you don't end up listening to these lies that are spread into the society everywhere, and इतना ज़्यादा सुनो तुम इन झूठों को कि you end up internalizing them in yourself, and you like start to like indifferentiate between what you believe in and what the society is forcing you to believe in. I don't know. So spend time with the things you like, and spend time with what things you are curious about, and then you can have your fundamental knowledge, and I don't know, do the things you like. And also like पढ़ाई कर लेना, मैं भी नहीं कर रही हूँ. What am I saying? Like you guys study, like I don't study at all. I just make these videos. आजकल मैंने कुछ पढ़ाई नहीं करी है. दिस इज इनसेन. ये मेरा रोज़ का है. बट हाँ, I'll study as well. I have not spent much time with myself enough. I have not spent enough time with myself. I don't know भाई, मेरी इंग्लिश को क्या हो गया है ये. बट मुझे नहीं लगता कि मैंने अपने साथ इतना समय बिताया है कि बिताया है कि I can stand up for myself, take a stance for myself, and go to my parents and you're like, shut the fuck up, you don't sell me your lies and all. Even though like I don't want to say anything to anyone, do what you do you, but I don't know what I'm saying. Bye. I don't know what I'm saying. Anyways, yeah, like, do let me know what you think about it. And also, like, it's not only about 10th के board exams, also like 8th के board exams and 5th के जो state boards में होते हैं, but also like exams के बाहर भी कि इस साल तक तुम्हारी शादी नहीं हुई तो तुम ये हो, like the kind of words they say. There are many words, and like तुम किसी के लायक नहीं हो, एंड तुम्हें इतने साल पे नौकरी नहीं मिली है, देन यू आर गुड फॉर नथिंग. तुम्हें लाइक दे हैव दिस होल सोसाइटल स्क्रिप्ट, द कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट, कि यहाँ पे तुमने 12th कर ली, 12th की ख़त्म करते ही तुम कॉलेज में जाओ, कॉलेज टॉप टियर होनी चाहिए, टॉप टियर कॉलेज से तुम ग्रेजुएट करोगे तो तुम्हारी नौकरी लग जाएगी तो तुम उसे छोड़ के आईएएस की परीक्षा दे दो, क्योंकि उन लोगों को सबसे ज़्यादा रिस्पेक्ट मिलती है सोसाइटी में. और कुछ नहीं है. तुम्हें क्या करना है उससे कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता. तुम what are you passionate about? Fuck passion. You care about, what do you care about? Fuck what you care about. Everything. Like, do IAS की तरह पढ़ाई, क्योंकि तुम्हें इतना ज़्यादा पावर मिलेगा. तुम्हें तुम्हें सब लोग तुम्हारे नीचे होंगे. तुम्हें पता चलेगा दुनिया ऊपर से कैसी दिखती है. These kind of things. तो आप उसके लिए पढ़ाई करो, यूपीएससी बन जाओ, तो फिर तुम आईएएस बन जाओ. उसके बाद में तुम्हारी शादी कर लो 2-3 बार, 2-3 फिर बच्चे कर लेना, एंड फिर 60 की उम्र आ जाए तो रिटायरमेंट. उसके बाद तो मज़े ही मज़े. उसके बाद ही तो है मज़े. They have this entire script ready for us. I can't believe that. And they're just forcing. That's all they want to do. And how do they force? They internalize the lies they sell into us. They amend those lies into us. And वो amend कैसे होते हैं? जब ये सब चीज़ें आपको कॉन्स्टेंटली बोली जाती हैं, और जब आपको पता नहीं होता है कि आप क्या चाहते हैं जेन्युइनली, आपको क्या करने में अच्छा लगता है, तो यू एंड अप जस्ट growing onto these things that they sell every single day. Yeah, but I don't know what to say about that. Also, yeah, I'll end this video here, but before that, there is a beautiful video. There is a video, I don't know, it's a very popular video. It's an animated movie, a very short movie, which is called Happiness. It's available on YouTube. It is about these people that are like rats. At the end of the day, we are all rats, excluding those who know who they are and who get to choose the life they want. And I am very happy for them. I'm really very happy for them. Really very happy for them. So there are these rats running. It's a very short film. You can watch it. It's available on YouTube. It's called Happiness. Yeah. Thank you so much. Bye.